This is going to be a full-on drag race between a Traxxas S550 Mustang GT and the Upriser Ducati Panigale V4S. Just so you get an idea of what is going on under the hood of this S550 Traxxas Mustang GT. We got a 12-turn 550 Titan Traxxas motor. We got an XL5 ESC, and we got a 7.4 two-cell light bulb producing 5,800 milliamps. This thing, needless to say, oh, by the way, this is all-wheel drive as well. I really like the touch that Traxxas did, putting the little Brembo brakes. You also got the vented rotors, as you guys can see. The point is that this car is no joke. So clearly this Mustang is going to absolutely dominate. The problem is that even though it's four-wheel drive, it still has power. It still struggles to put the power down to the wheels. This thing does four-wheel drive drifting all the time. Now this Upriser Ducati motorcycle right here, this is probably one of the most advanced RC motorcycles in the market right now. It's capable of doing speeds of 20 miles an hour. The Mustang could probably do up to 40 miles an hour, but the problem is that the motorcycle puts the power down to the wheels a lot better than the Mustang, because like I said, this is an advanced piece of technology. Check out the rear tires, guys. Each and every single one of those equals extra traction. They're all computer and electronically controlled for the best possible launch. Now the only thing left to do, guys, we got the camera set up. We got my boy Geronimo. Follow him at Jaden's Life on YouTube. Loud, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, Jaden, this time I'm going to give you two car lengths on your go.
3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, go.
So the bike is fully balanced. Here we go. When you say go, 3, 2, 1, go, that's when you go straight, okay?
3, 2, 1, go. I'm not even going.
You gotta go straight. You gotta hold straight.
3,
Loud.
2, 1, go.
All right, Jaden, on your go, you go straight line.
3, 2, 1, go.
Three car lengths.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! 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 Camera down. Camera down. All right, so that's gonna be it, guys. Clearly the Traxxas won. The Mustang won after two car lengths, after three car lengths. Still that was still a fun race. Either way, if you guys enjoyed the race, if you guys are looking forward to more stuff like this, either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. Take it easy.